The challenges we face to keep the power on as we transition our energy economy are complex. The midstream industry is embracing these changes, but it isn't going to happen overnight. To continue solving these problems, we need to understand the situation, address energy misconceptions, and work together toward a common goal. Welcome, let's clear the air. In this episode, we'll look at the economic challenges of maintaining energy reliability. How do we power the lives of 330 million Americans without interruption and at an affordable price? Energy reliability is divided into short-term and long-term goals. In the short term, we need to consider how our energy systems respond to sudden changes in the supply-demand balance. From catastrophic weather events to global pandemics, our supply chain and energy demands can change at the drop of a hat. No region of the U.S. electric grid is able to run on 100% renewable energy 24/7. It requires a mix of energy sources to balance out demand fluctuations each day and from season to season. Instead of removing resources from the energy mix, midstream companies are adding more resources to keep up with energy demands as we push for cleaner energy. For energy reliability in the long term, investments need to balance projected economic growth with climate and sustainability goals. As we all work toward reducing greenhouse gas emissions, the United States has set an aspirational date of 2050 to have net zero emissions. A recent report estimates this would cost around $9.2 trillion per year, or almost 10% of every U.S. household's annual spending. This is almost 7 times higher than what the U.S. currently spends on energy. In other words, the energy transition is a delicate balancing act that needs to be done thoughtfully to ensure we don't waste money and resources, or leave anyone behind. An abrupt shift in energy sources could lead to significantly higher energy costs, alongside lower reliability, which puts the biggest burden on those who may already struggle to keep their lights on. While people use exponentially more and more energy every year, realizing a cleaner and sustainable future is an ongoing process that has to be done carefully over time. Midstream companies are committed to doing their part to power the lives of all Americans as we continue to add newer, cleaner resources to the energy mix. Want to join the conversation? Learn more about the energy transition and how you can support the thriving future we all want to see at letscleartheairnow.org.